Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. So at this time I want to explain about the assignment 1. Okay, the requirement that you need to know in order to do assignment 1. Okay, for this subject that is a data structure and analysis algorithm. So this assignment 1 is a sub function of your project. Okay, requirement that is to the electricity billing system. So for the point number 1, okay, about the information that you need to store, I've already explained, okay, in the project, okay, session. And then for the calculation of formula, also I've already explained to you. Now we go for the operations. Okay, for the operation, okay, the first operation, it means that there are only three operation or three function that you need to develop. Okay, the first one is you need to save or add or store data into array of object, but in the project you need to store into file. Since you haven't learned, or sorry, since um, most of my students are taking programming 2 in this semester. So I have already decided that you need to store data into array of object. But for those who have already taken, programming 2, so you can store into file, either text file or binary files. Okay, you need to store all data here. All data means here. Okay, all data. Okay, so display an appropriate message when data has been saved successfully into array of objects. So this one, okay, as I said last time, okay, you need to display an appropriate message when you have already saved data into array of object or linked list. Okay, so the information of jumlah unit pengguna, charge semasa, and jumlah barang bill must be calculated first as stated in the project description. Then you can save it into array of object, or you want to use linked list. Okay, I think for this one you can use array list or linked list. Okay, so these are classes that you can use, okay, that defined by Java developer. Okay, and then the second function is display all records. Okay, display all records. So since you haven't learned the sorting technique, so you just display all record that you have already saved or stored into array of object. Okay, so you can display all records that you have saved into array of object or linked list. Then the last function is exit from the running mode. Normally you will use this kind of function. For example, system out, and then you put the parameter here is 0. Sorry, 0. So that is exit. Okay, so these are three functions that you need to write or to develop. Okay, so the last point, your project must not fail, but you must fulfill. You must fulfill all the requirements above and must apply the concept of user-defined classes. As I mentioned in the project requirements, okay, at least you're going to have only two classes, not three. Two classes when you will not involve with a graphical user interface. Okay, so what those classes? So two classes. The first class will have constructor, and then getter method, and then setter method. Okay, and then the another class will have the uh, data operation. For example, you want to add data, you want to display uh, all records, for example. Okay, then so as I mentioned before this, so you can use array list or linked list. Okay, Menu system, you must have also menu system like ATM machine. Since you haven't learned graphical user interface, so you can use menu system like ATM machine. Okay, ATM machine when you want to withdraw or you want to transfer your money. Okay, so for the looping, so you can use do while structure. So you can see how do while works when you want to create what's menu system. Okay, for example here, so this the example of menu system. One, okay, you can add data when you enter one, so you can add data, and when you enter two, so you will display or record. Or if you want to exit, you just click Z. You want and you can enter 0, so it will exit. In terms of due dates, I will inform you later on, because you are not allowed. Sorry, I'm not allowed. What to ask you to send this assignment one within MCO or PKP periods. Okay, so take a look first. Okay, the requirements in the assignment one and also in project. Okay. So we stop here and we'll see you next time. Inshallah. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.